Hello my dear students, let's continue the class with solid state. In that particular, what we discussed in previous means what are the types of crystals, means solids, how many types like FCC, BCC, simple cubic, hexagonal, and effective number of atoms, and based on that some numericals. So like that we discussed. Now let's discuss about these types of crystal systems. See, types of crystal systems is exactly based on these edge lengths as well as particular bond angles. Okay, so actually crystal system or crystal solid or particular unit cell is the three-dimensional. Means it exists in three ways. One is x-axis and y-axis and z-axis like this. And this is suppose A, B and C. There are three what we call these bond distances or edge lengths. Okay, these edge lengths we call bond distance means nuclear to distance, or else edge length we call. Edge length is A, B or C, because three types of edges we will have in a particular cubic crystal like this. Okay, so here angles are like this: alpha, beta and then gamma like this. So based on edge lengths as well as bond angles, there are 7 types of crystal systems. 7 types. How many types of crystal systems? 7 types of crystal systems are there based on edge lengths as well as these bond angles. What are alpha, beta, gamma? Bond angles between two edges, because we are considering crystal system or a solid in three-dimensional manner like that. Okay, so in that way, how many types of crystal systems we have? Means 7 types of crystal systems we have. How many types of crystal systems? 7 types. And one by one I will write here. First one is cubic system, cubic type of crystal system. Okay, and second one, just for remembering, I'll tell you one easy way. CO, total 7 I told you, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, and last and final is 7. COT, cot, room, में, टोनी है, हिंदी. So what I written here? Pot, room में Tommy है. Simply you can remember how many types of crystal systems. Okay, how to remember? COT, pot, room में Tommy है. Okay, so cubic system, and second one is orthorhombic. Okay, simply rhombic otherwise. And third one is T. T means tetragonal. And fourth one rhombohedral. And fifth one M. M means monoclinic. Total 7 types of crystal systems based on different 3 types of edge lengths and bond angles. 3 types of bond angles and giving these 7 types of crystal systems. And again T, here COT, pot, here T you have tetragonal, but here triclinic, here tetra, here triclinic, tetra and tri, like that. And last and final, you can guess H means hexagonal. So these are 7 types of crystal systems. So as I told you, if you are assuming a particular solid like this, okay, 3-dimensional manner like this, so you have cube like this. So as I told you, this is one, and this is second, and this is third. So as I was represented, this is A, this particular, from here to here. Okay, so here to here, this is A. And here this is B, this is A, and here B, and this particular here to here is C, edge lengths, the different. See, why I said 3 means edges are how many? 12 edges actually. So 12 edge lengths we have differently? No. 4 are one kind, 4 are another kind, 4 are one type of. So total 4 3s are 12. So how you are saying? This A, and here you can say A, and this is A, and this is A. Total how many kind? A, 4. Similar way, B how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. Getting what I am saying? In that way, C how many? In this diagonal manner. C, 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 C. So like that, 12 edges exist, but 12 edges are 3 types. 12 edges are how many types? 3 types you have. This is A, and this is also A, and this is also A. Simply, I am representing A, B, C. And angles also same manner. You have 3 types of bond angles. Bond angles. This is 1, and this is 1, and this is 1. This is alpha, and this is beta, and this is gamma. So now I give you one by one. Now let's see what are the edge lengths for individual 7 types of crystal systems. So here you have types of crystal systems, and here you have Mr. edge lengths. What do you have here? Edge lengths here. Okay, so individually we will see what are the edge lengths for cubic and Mr. orthorhombic and tetragonal, like this. So edge lengths after what I told you, bond angles. So bond angles after I will give you some Bravais lattice. So let's see individually what are the edge lengths for cubic. In cubic, as I told you before, cubic means there are 3-dimensional. So all 3, see suppose this length and this length all are same. So how exist? So here A, and this is A. So here you have A, and this is B, and C is towards you. This red one is towards you like this. Okay. So and you have A and B, and this is C, this red one towards you like this. So all lengths are similar, and you are having bond angle exactly 90 degrees like this. Like this means 90 degrees or not? If you have like this, see here to here, what is the angle? 90 degrees you will have like that. So what is the edge length here? A is equal to B, B is equal to C. That is edge length. Okay, and what is the bond angle means? As I have shown here, the bond angles are same. So alpha is equals to beta, beta is equals to gamma is equal to 90 degrees. That is for cubic. So as I shown, 7 types of crystal systems. We are having A is equal, first we are discussing about cubic, and in cubic A is equals to B, B is equals to C. And bond angles, alpha is equals to beta, beta is equals to gamma is equal to 90 degrees. Here, as I said here, A suppose 5 centimeter, and this B also 5 centimeter, and this C length also 5 centimeter like that. So edge lengths are same for cubic. So as I shown in previous, like this I shown no. Suppose this one is A, and this is B, and this is C like this. Okay? And 1 A means total 4 A's. Here B means total 4 B. 1, 2, 3, 4 like that I was given already. Next, come to the orthorhombic in 7 types. Orthorhombic. In orthorhombic, what you will do? Same story. Here I am considering this is A, and now this is B, and something is different like this. This is C. Now I remove this capital. Now this length increased A, and B is the same, and now C is become very short. Okay, this length decreased, this length increased, and this length. So if this A length is different, this B length is different, this C length also different. Means what I did, this A I was increased, B I was not changed, but C I was shortened. So what happened here? A is equal to B, B is equal to C we will write? No, all are different for orthorhombic. So what I did? But they exist like that, orthorhombic, in that all three edge lengths are different. They exist in nature like that. What I can, why don't ask me like that? Okay? So this is A, edge length is different, this B, edge length is different, and this C, edge length is different. And bond angles I am not changing. See, like this only I am considering. So here to here 90 and here to here 90. So no change in bond angles. So I can write as here alpha is equals to beta is equals to gamma and is equal to 90 degrees. That is orthorhombic. Hope you understood about orthorhombic now. What I did? All three edge lengths I was changed. That exists orthorhombic like that. A is different. A is blue color, remember? B is black color. Red is towards you, red color. Okay? So these three are different like this. I'm showing. Getting what I'm saying? But bond angle is 90 degrees. Here to here is 90. So that is about orthorhombic. In cot, C-O-T, cot, room, may, Tommy, hi, Tony, hi, otherwise, Hindi. Okay, so T means now tetragonal. In tetragonal, what I'll do, A is equal to B. A is equal to B, but not equal to C. So what I am doing now, I am doing like this. Otherwise, I'll shorten like this. Now, this A length also same, B also same, like this. Now, what happened? This A length and this B length are same, but this one is different. So C was different length, means it was shortened. Or you can, sir, it will be somewhat high, sir. Can we consider, sir, means yes. Sir, can we consider more length as C means yes, you can consider. I am considering like that. And A and B are same, but C is not equal to this A and B. But is there any change in bond angle? Same 90. Here to here, you will have a 90. Get it? So, what you have here means alpha is equals to beta is equals to gamma is equal to 90 degrees. So, you have cubic, orthorhombic and tetragonal. 3 was completed. What completed? Okay. Next, rhombohedral. How rhombohedral exists means like this. So rhombus, like this exists. All lengths are same. Suppose here I am considering this is A and this is B and this is C. And this angle, this angle, this angle, all angles are same. This is rhombohedral. So what here? A is equal to B, B is equal to C. That means this 1 and 4 are similar. Was not given clearly, but like this. Okay? How to draw, How to draw one more time? All required? Okay. So A, B, C are same, but this angles also same. Alpha, beta, gamma. Both are same. Alpha is equal to beta, beta is equal to gamma, but not equal to 90 degrees. Because they are like this in cube. So it is, if it is like this 90 degrees, but that is like this. And 2 are like this. Okay, one more is like this. So alpha is equals to beta is equals to gamma, but not equal to 90 degrees. That is rhombohedral. Okay, so I was given this rhombohedral. If you wanted to draw with me, you can draw. So like this. So now lengths are same, A, B and C. So angles are same. Now, oh shit, forgot. So this one and this one. And here, this one is alpha and this is beta and this is gamma. Alpha, beta, gamma. Like that. So alpha is equals to beta, beta is equals to gamma, but not equal to 90 degrees. That is rhombohedral. Hope you understood. So this 1 and 4 are same. So now you just imagine this orthorhombic so that you can understand monoclinic, because this 1 and 4 are same, at the same time this 2 and 5 are same. How means how to imagine that Mr. rhombohedral I told you previous. How? So this is Mr. B and this is Mr. A, correct? Like this, and this is Mr. C. So three different lengths I told. You just see orthorhombic. This is this blue color is A. This length is different. Blue color, black color. This length is different. This red color. This length is different. Now, if cube is like this, if the solid is like this, if a crystal system is like this, that is called orthorhombic. Angle is 90. All three edge lengths are different. Now, what I will do? I will flip this either downwards or upwards. Now bond angle change, and I will flip this A also. I am flipping this C also, so that I will get monoclinic. So orthorhombic to monoclinic, to get what to do? Just like this 90 degrees means it is orthorhombic. I am flipping like this edges. I am flipping this C as well as A. Now I am having monoclinic. So orthorhombic means all edge lengths are different, but all bond angles are same and equal to 90 degrees. But for monoclinic, it is different. How means here monoclinic I will get A not equal to B, not equal to C. Alpha and gamma is equals to 90 degrees, and beta not equal to 90 degrees. That is monoclinic. Sorry, I was flipped Mr. A and C, no. Only this alpha and gamma. That means A and C I won't flip. So only this angle I am flipping. So this beta is changing means what I have to flip. So this just A I have to flip like this. Sorry. So just have a look and just observe carefully. And like this means what? What we have? What this is called? Orthorhombic. Only A you just flip. I told 2, C and A you flip. I told her. Sir, imagination is very important. That's why I am telling you all these things. So this and this I am not flipping. So if I am flipping this B, this will change. But here this and this will not change. Slightly we are flipping that. Means we are moving like this or like this. Like this means upwards. Don't imagine two-dimensional. So like this means gamma also will change also. That means it won't change, but like this we are bringing up and down. Then this bond angle will change. So beta will change. Understood clearly? So this is about monoclinic. Now all you flip. From orthorhombic, all you flip. B you flip, A you flip, or C you flip. Then you will triclinic. So what is triclinic? All are different. All are different means what is the meaning? A not equal to B, not equal to C. Alpha, beta, gamma, all are not equal, and all are not equal to 90. So that is triclinic. So triclinic means what? Everything is different. A is different, B is different. So colors, don't forget, sir, please, you have to remember. Blue color is A, this black color is B, and this is C. So all edge lengths are different, and all we are flipping like this. This is we are flipping, this we are flipping. All three we are flipping. Certainly you are getting triclinic. Now we have a hexagonal. Hexagonal to understand. To understand hexagonal, I'll draw that now. So like this. Okay. So here you have like this. So this is one line, and this is another, and here to here, and here to here you have one. just change it like this. And here to here you have one more line. I'm drawing like this from here to here. And here to here one you have. So just change it like this. Okay. And here to here I'm drawing like this. Okay. This length also just compress so that you can understand very easily. Now from here to here I have one more. Because one body center, one phase center is there no in HCP. In HCP, two phase center atoms will be there like this. Here one phase center atom, and here one phase center atom. Like this. And here to here like this. So here why I have drawn like that? So here you have three types of different angles as I told. But here to here is 90 and here to here actually. So here to here is 90 actually. But here you have an angle 120 degrees, or this is gamma, you can consider as 120 degrees. Otherwise this you can consider as 120. So here to here like that. So actually two hexagonal rings are like this. This is one hexagonal, my left hand is one hexagonal ring and my right hand is another hexagonal ring. So two hexagonal rings, here to here length will be same, here to here. So one is like this, okay, but another is like this, okay. So two angles are same. So here alpha is equal to beta is equal to 90 degrees, but gamma is equal to 120 degrees, because like this, 120 degrees angle. So when you are having like this, from upper to this one, okay. So when you are having like this, suppose back side, when you are back to this back, this front to this front. So angles won't change. This is 90 and here you have 90 degrees. Suppose this is alpha and this is beta. So alpha is 90 degrees and beta is 90 degrees, but gamma is 120 degrees. Edge lengths also like that. This is A, here you have A, and this is A. A and A are same, but this one, this dark one, blue color is there, that is C. This one is C. So C is different. So as I told, this is A and suppose this is B. Okay, A and B are same, but C is different. So what you have right here, A is equal to B, but not equal to C, that is hexagonal. So in hexagonal, two edge lengths are same. Otherwise A and C are same, you can write, not a problem. Two edge lengths are same, one edge length is different. Understanding? So A is equal to B, but not equal to C. Because see, this to this, here to here, length is different. Otherwise you can consider from here to here, length is different. So this length you can consider as C, or this length you can consider. I am drawing two dimensional, but actually they are like this. This is hexagonal ring, this is another hexagonal ring. So friends, suppose this one and this one, if you are considering back, so that is there 90 degrees, and front side also you will have 90 degrees when you are assuming like this. So in hexagonal, it's very important. Two edge lengths are same and not equal to C. Alpha beta is equal to 90 degrees, gamma is equal to 120 degrees. So this is about the types of crystal systems. And now in types of crystal systems, we have to discuss about that last one, Bravais lattice. What are Bravais lattice? Let's see now. Okay, but before that, you must have a screenshot and you must write all these things. To avoid by heart only, just for imagination, I was used all these things. So have a screenshot and write down all these things, and these are very important. Now, let's see what are Bravais lattice means. What exactly Bravais lattice means? These 7 types of crystal systems, listen carefully. These 7 types of crystal systems based on positions of, based on what? Positions of atoms or ions. These 7 types of crystal systems again classified into 14 types. those 14 types of crystal systems based on different positions in atoms or ions, what we call them? Bravais lattice. So what are the Bravais lattice? Let's see now one by one. Okay, just for remembering, here also one simple short way I will tell you. So what I said, understood? Based on just edge lengths and bond angles, there are 7 types of crystal systems. Those 7 types of crystal systems, excuse me, I was given simple way. COT, cot, room, may, Tommy, high, Tony, high, otherwise. Hey, means present. Like that. Okay. So here those 7 types. C means cubic, O means orthorhombic, T means tetragonal, rhombic also you can call it. R means rhombohedral, M means monoclinic, T means triclinic, H means hexagonal. So based on the positions of atoms or ions, this cubic again classified into 3 types of crystal systems. Okay, what are those items? This orthorhombic, 4 types, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1. Just you have to remember, they exist like this. I cannot do anything. So this cubic type of crystal system exists in 3 ways, and this orthorhombic exists in 4 types. What are 4 types? On what basis we will divide them? On basis of different positions of atoms or ions, we will divide these 3 types, 4 types, 2 types, 1 time, 2 type, 2, 1 type like this. And total how many? Like this means here 1 I told on. So total how many crystal system means 14 types you will have. How many types? 14 types of crystal systems you will have. What are those? Let's see in a simple way. Those systems, based on positions. If atoms are present only at corners, that is called primitive. Atoms or ions present only at corners as well as face centers. 6 face centers, that is face centered cubic, FCC. One more type, body center, BCC. I was given atoms or ions present at all corners and one body center, that is BCC. One more type of crystal system I told, end center, means all corners and any 2 opposite faces if atoms or ions present, that is called end center, like that. Those all kind of 4 types positions, okay, you will have here as 14 types in these 7 types of crystal systems. So no confusion. 7 types of crystal systems again classified into 14 types, okay, based on their positions of atoms or ions. So cubic exists in 3 types, that is P, F, B. Okay, P, F, B. Simple way I will tell you how to remember this. Power star Facebook. Power star Facebook. Okay, simple, just for remember. Actually, what is P I have to say in solid state? P means primitive. F means face centered cubic, FCC. B means body centered cubic, BCC. So on the basis of positions, okay, we have 3 different types of Bravais lattice in cubic system. So what is cubic system? You have idea. All 3 edge lengths are same, angles are same. So that cubic system exists in 3 types. One is primitive, FCC, face center and body center, PFB. Got it clearly? Now this one is PFBE. Some hackers was a hacker that ended. Power star Facebook ended. Power star. P means what? P. Primitive, not power star. Just for remembering it. Primitive, face center, body center, end center. Do you know end center means? Atoms or ions present at all corners and 2 opposite faces. Just revise my previous class so that you can have idea. Okay, this one PB. PB means this tetragonal exists in two ways. One is primitive and body center. Primitive and body center. Actually, power star biopic. You know biopic? Giris are biopic like that. So power star biopic PB. But originally is what? Primitive and body center. You have to remember. So why you are saying like this means simple things, sir. They'll ask you one question in NEET. Which of the following Bravais lattice not exist for cubic? Okay, not exist. What exists? Okay. PFB exists means power star, Facebook exists means primitive exists, FCC exists, body center exists. Okay, end center not exist. Okay, that is the correct answer. You can say for cubic. What type of question understood? They'll ask you like this: tetragonal. Which of the following not exist? Means okay. First, what exists? Power star biopic. That is for tetragonal. Okay, PB exists means primitive and body center exist. So remaining two not exist. So which one given you have to observe? So primitive exists. Yes, because PB power star biopic. Primitive exists. B biopic. Body center exists. PB exists for tetragonal like that. So one there, no doubt. One there means that is primitive. Wherever you have one, that is primitive. 1 means you have. So how to remember? 3 4 2 1 2 1 1 like that. Understood? Now this 2 means PV, but here 2 means PE, not PF. PE. So what you can say? Power star energy. Like that you can remember. Power star. Pawan Kalyan. Do you know Pawan Kalyan? I don't know. So here power star energy. But what exactly required that you remember? Sir, I remember power star Facebook, but what is P, what is F, what is B? I forgot, so waste of time. What is P means here? Primitive, face center, body center. That is very important. Just for remembering, I told you all these things. So here, these are total 7 types of crystal system. Total 14 you can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Total 14. 14 types of crystal systems, 14 types of Bravais lattice we have based on their positions. But how these 14 came? From these. Means with same edge lines and bond angles, you have a primitive, you have face center, you have body center. So those 3 types are called cubic. If you want how to represent cubic primitive, face center cubic and body center cubic means I can show you here. It's very simple. With same edge lines I have to draw cubic primitive, cubic face center, cubic body center I have to draw. Okay. Tomorrow what you will do is, after class, this for cubic just draw primitive, face center and body center with same edge lines. You draw cubes. And same with the different edge lines I told you. You draw these 4: primitive, face center, body center and center like this. For all these you have to draw and you have to send in our WhatsApp group. That is our work for tomorrow. Thank you very much. Have a good day.